What's going on, everybody? Brandon here with Oasis, and we're about to go do some estimates. If you guys want to see how I price everything out, and most importantly, see my estimate sheets, see what I do, see how I price everything out, stay tuned, follow along, and wait till I get to the next yard. What's going on, guys? Getting to an estimate, I just want to show you guys kind of how I do it. Check out the front yard real quick. Now, when I'm doing my estimates, I like to see if I need to fertilize it, if it needs edged, any lawn treatments, and if the beds need cleaned. So stay tuned and let's walk to the back real quick and we'll see what it looks like. So as we walk to the back, we see it hasn't been mowed yet, but it's about an average size yard. We got to, oh, look at the little baby squirrels or chipmunks. Look at the little baby squirrels, guys. Hey, what's going on, guys? Look at the little baby squirrels. Well, we got to see some baby squirrels. That was pretty cool, huh, guys? Check out a couple baby squirrels. But anyways, back to the estimate. I'll show you guys how I get it done. All right, guys, let's get in here on the table and I'll show you what I'm talking about on my estimates. So I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick before I actually show you my estimate sheets. I do not care if anybody copies them. I made them for it to be super easy when you go to a job like I just did. I can jump in my truck, write a few numbers down, leave it in their mailbox, have them contact me. Super easy way to pretty much get any estimate out there. So let's dive right into it, guys. All my packages that I have a basic silver and gold, and I a la carte everything out. Now, if they get more than 3 gold packages, I usually give them a discount at the end of the year for services. But I'm about to turn the camera around and show you guys what I'm talking about. Here it is, guys, my mowing packages. So I just put some numbers in there to show you guys an example of like the yard I just looked at, what I would charge. So I have everything written out right there on everything that we're gonna do. I have a sheet that I give them that goes into more detail on what we're actually going to be doing. So here is your a la carte. So I'll walk around the yard. I would do the mowing for 30. If I edged all the driveway and sidewalks, it would be 75 per time. Lawn treatment would be 60 per time. If they wanted me to spot spray some of the weeds, it'd be 40. And lawn and bed maintenance would be 15 for me to pull the weeds every time I'm there. And if there's anything that else we had discussed, I would put it there, and that goes price per time. So here is your basic. If he would like us, we would mow, trim, and blow off once a week. It would be 30. If he would like us to keep it edged every week, it would be 35. Instead of us coming out and edging it one time for 75, we'll do it every week and it will just add $5 to his account. This is how you upsell. Gold package. If he wants all the above plus lawn maintenance, I knock a little bit off of that and it would be 40 a week. Now his treatments are still the same because I can't get away with giving discounts on treatments. But the reason I'm showing you guys this, because if they get 3 or more services a year and go with all gold packages, we give them a discount. Another way to upsell. So I'd like to know what you guys think of the mowing package. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of it. Like I said, this is a quick, fast, easy way for me to go do an estimate, write the numbers down, take a picture of it, and drop it in their mailbox. There it is, guys. That's my mowing package. I would really appreciate it if you guys let me know what you guys think about it. I have no problem with you guys copying it and trying to use it for yourself. Like I said, for many years, I tried figuring out a good way to give estimates fast and efficient. I hated going to people's yards, looking at the yard, and then having to go home, use Excel or some type of other program to make an estimate and either drive out there or email it back. It was a total waste of time. And I was losing jobs because I wasn't fast and efficient. So now I'm fast and efficient on how I get my packaging out there and how I get my estimates done. You call me, I come out, I look at your yard, I walk around, I tell you what everything's gonna cost, alley cart, and then you can choose from each package. You can sign your name, put your email down there, and we'll get there and get you taken care of, get you mowed the right way. Also, if you guys would like to see any of my other packages, like my cleanup, mowing, power washing, any other packages that I have, I'd be happy to show you guys. My mulch package is probably the best package I have because it's so detailed. They can go through, they can see every different thing we're going to do. They can pick each service that we're going to do for a landscape or a mulch job, and they can see the price of each mulch that we have. I really, really like my mulch packages. There's something that in the beginning of the spring I like to send out to each customer right along with a mowing package, just so they can get, used to knowing what the price will be. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this. I'd like to hear and like to know.